In Kerala, everything is in pastel shades and in white. I remember my mother-in-law with so much of love. She would get so angry whenever I would wear another black sari. She would say, Indana black, 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 black for everything. Yeah. Hi everybody, Namaskar, Namaskaram, Sat Sri Akal, Salam Alaikum. I'm Usha Uthup, and you know something, I have so many obsessions. I have obsessions about my bindis, my bangles, my flowers, my shoes, but the greatest obsession of it all are my saris. Something. I come from a very middle class family, and really, we couldn't afford to buy saris. But my obsession was always to own lovely, lovely saris. My first payment, 1969 in Madras, in 9 gems, they gave me a sari. So this really started my obsession. Subsequently, of course, there were so many saris that I got obsessed with. And slowly but surely, my collection grew. And each one has a marvelous story. So just watch it. You know something, my amma darling, she couldn't afford to buy so many saris really. But there are some things that remain in your mind forever. And these were the small checks which totally belong to the South Indian cult, shall I say. Yes, checks, stripes and dots never go out of fashion. Thank you, Amma. Thank you for this lovely, lovely thing. Lovely sari. Trust my daughter to choose the most expensive sari. This border is a puja border. It's called puja border, patte border. And it's got hamsams in it. And it is such a fantastic sari. But of course, my daughter had her eyes on it right in the beginning. And this is one of her favorite saris. I'd like for all of you to realize how old is the design and how traditional is the design. Something. I mean, it's so fantastic. In this side of the coast, one hardly ever wears white, okay? But in that side of the coast where I was married, that's right, in Kerala, everything is in pastel shades and in white. I remember my mother-in-law with so much of love. She would get so angry whenever I would wear another black sari. So this was one of my favorite blacks, and she would say, Indana black, 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 black for everything. Yeah. She would get so irritated. But this was one of my favorite saris, and black is one of my favorite colors. I want all of you to see it properly. Look at the combination. It's really so unusual and yet so traditional, just like Amitabh Bachchan. That's right. I wore it for Kaun Banega Crorepati, an episode which had Gauri, who is a transgender, and we were working for them. And this is the most memorable sari which I could have worn with Amitabh Bachchan. So this is the Kamala Hassan sari. And why is it so special to me? Because he has a birthday on the 7th, and I have a birthday on the 8th of November. I got this amazing courier from Kamal, and I was so excited because we've known each other for such a long time. So that's the story. It's always wonderful to receive a gift from someone you love. Whenever I wear a purple sari, which has been bought specially for KKR, they have always won the match. So you know that if they ever lost, I wasn't there in Eden Garden. Shah Rukh and Juhi, this one specially for you. From 1969, for about 30 years, I was singing with stiletto heels. And then, of course, it took its toll on my knees and I couldn't stand anymore. And my daughter Anjali told me, if you are using sneakers to walk, why can't you use sneakers to wear on the show? And I said, okay. But the obsession became so much that I decided to match all my saris with my shoes. What a brilliant story this is. To be recognized by your country is the most important thing as far as I'm concerned. And I'm so excited to be able to show to you, and with all my gratitude and humility, or whatever you may call it, I'm really, really proud to say that yes, I did get the Padma Shri. तो देखी मुर्गा केने बा लागे बिहुरे योई तोलीते. That's right. This comes from the land of Assam, and it's been given to me by a lady called Shampa Das. And these borders are so intricate. They have actually been sewed on. Though it's not my color, I have still worn it very lovingly. Thank you so much to the people of Assam and Shampa Das. Love you. যদি তোর ডাক শুনে কেউ না আসে তবে একলা চলো রে. That's right. This smells of Madras, but it is an integral part of Bengal. You have to have a color like this. They call it Bashanti color. And for me, this is so important to wear during the puja times. Yes, it goes like that. And there's nothing as marvelous and colorful as the pujas in Kolkata. My God, this is amazing. This is an outside talk of the town, Jazz by the Bay in Bombay. And because I'm a great fan of the police, and because I'm a policeman's daughter myself, all the policemen were nearby to look after me. It was really an amazing evening. I still have tears in my eyes when I look at SP Sir, SP Balasubramaniam, no more with us. But as I always say, the song is much bigger than the singer. And imagine Dr. K.J. Yesudas, Kamala Hassan, and myself all together in one historic moment. Oh, that was such a beautiful photograph, isn't it? SRK, Bapi Lahiri, and myself. And one of my favorite saris, it was his birthday actually, and SRK and myself were there to wish him. Yes, unfortunately, he died too fast. This was a tribute that we gave to Lata Mangeshkar, and I was singing Bindiya Chamkegi. And it's so good for me to sing that because my Bindiya is always chamkoing. The king of music, Ilaiyaraaja sir. What can I say about him? He's given me a few songs. Whatever songs he's given me have been a big, big hit. Nukanya songs kudu krela, please. Mamuka. Can you imagine? We're almost the same age, yes. But I played his mother. And I played Vakilama, and I wore a chattamunda, and I played his mother, and it was fantastic because I rode the bike with him. Look at that. Amitabh Bachchan and myself, that is in 1969, that's so many years ago. And it's one of the rare white saris that I wore because it was given to me by the unit. In this shot, I remember telling Amitabh Bachchan, "You're looking so good in this jacket." And you know what he told me? He said, "What to do, yaar? I have to give it back to the unit." And look at him today.